Yeah, you gotta lay back to this one, man. Give thanks to everything you gotta do, man. It's real good. It's real good. Yeah. You gotta watch what you say. You gotta watch what you do now. You gotta watch what you say. You gotta watch what you do now. You gotta watch what you say. You gotta watch what you do now. Yo, I'm riding fast down the block, FDR Bridge coming through, hold my jock, I figure no jacks. When I just bring it on scenes, you know my damn style so old, I'm coming on clean. When I release the scene, I drink clean. People knew today I used to act all mean, but I just came calm and you release the stress from my chest and my heart. They can use you best, now you feeling my stress from the danger. Coming through, I be that perfect stranger. Out of the world of feeling it. Coming back as I just be killing this. Microphone dangerous, feeling me, affecting my mind into reality of the verse of the aggression. Coming through, release the damn stressing from my chest as I know it down life. Coming back as I brother, I'm living trite. Now I'm back on the run, I gotta give God the things are coming through, yo, it's so hard. When I do my thing, I switch it up the lanes. Now you know my styles, I cut my hold down. When I flip the stacks, I coming back round. And then I coming through, lay you deep in the grounds. Making no jacks, I'm about to just bringing it on. You coming through now, you feeling now, you get torn. Out the frame, I beat the pressure back. On the block now, coming through, I got back into life now. Yeah. You gotta watch what you say, you gotta watch what you do now. Cause whatever comes around, this definitely goes around now.